can I create a new program? New class. Okay. So my class name is browser comments. Okay. My class name is browser comments. And check the checkbox. So what happened if I'm not checking the checkbox? You are not error. You are not able to execute the program. See, if I'm not selecting the checkbox, it won't display any error. But we are not able to execute the program. So to execute your Java program, main method is there compulsory. So public static void main. So I will explain what is this. Okay. Now check the checkbox and finish. Okay. See here. Browser command. So this is my program. Okay. Let me remove this. So this is a comment statement. Okay. 2 forward slashes. The comment means it's not a Java statement. So Java, it won't execute. Comment means what? It's not a programming statement. Normal English statement. So why are we maintaining these comments here? To increase readability of your program. See, suppose I'm writing a program, 100 lines of code here. And whenever you are in the reviews, see, after writing a test cases, we have reviews. After designing a test scripts also, we have reviews. So I have written 100 programming statements. So I don't know about I know about the functionality, but I don't know the logic. It takes some time, right? I can understand by reading it. But if I maintain like this, so suppose counting the total number of rows. So then I'm writing my program here. The person who is reviewing the program, okay. So these are the code is for what? Counting number of rows from table, like that. So that's the purpose we have include what? Comments. Comments is used for the increasing the readability of your program. What's the meaning of readability? By reading, you can easily understand. That is good. Okay. Now, browser comments. Caesar, we will discuss all these browser comments. Open URL, retrieve page URL, retrieve current URL. Retrieve page title. Okay. Retrieve source code. Navigate backward, forward. Navigate to backward, forward in browser, right? Refreshing the browsers, and minimize and maximize and closing. So we'll discuss these commands, basic browser-based commands, okay? And then we'll start Java. So so for 20 to 30 minutes, we'll discuss this, and then we'll start the Java. So yesterday I given a promise, right? We don't know Java, but I will make you to familiar on Java. Yes. Today we'll do that. Clear? See here. Open URL. See here. See. So what is the first thing? I'm using the older version, right? Not the newer version. Okay. So I'm working with the Chrome browser. So what is the first statement? System dot set property. Properties are property. Property. What is the first parameter and what is second parameter? First parameter is what? Which browser you are going to work, right? What is the statement here? WebDriver, Chrome, all are small letter. Chrome dot driver. And what is the second parameter? Path of the Chrome browser driver. Okay, Chrome browser driver, right? So where it is? I think we have maintained, right? This is the path. Okay, browser comments. So here are multiple slashes. Okay, so this should be in a code, double quotes, right? Double quotes. Next, how can I launch the Chrome browser? Chrome browser. Sorry, Chrome driver. Driver is equal to new Chrome driver. Okay, Chrome driver equal to new Chrome driver. Okay, here C capital, D capital. So this is a, what is this? Class. And what is this? Constructor. What is this? New keyword. And what is this driver? See here I can write my name also, no problem. Variable. That variable I have given. So that variable I have given. So I can write your name, my name, no problem. Okay. But meaningful variable name, we have to use it. So I'm creating a driver variable. So I'm using as a driver. But why are you getting error here? Why are we getting errors here? See underlines, right? Red color underlines.
We need to import.
Because right now we are in the package pack one package. In this package, there is no Chrome driver class is defined. So that's the reason we are getting error. Okay. Now mouse over. It will display the package name imported. So now the package statement imported. Every Java program start with the package only. Every Java program starts with the package only. So package pack one means this is your current package. In which package you are writing the program, and next if you are importing, all the statements are importing. Now. So now story begins. Open what? Open URL. See here. I can open URL in two methods. So first thing is a get method. And next is the navigate to method. So I have two methods to open the URL. So by using get method, next navigate.to. So yesterday explained, right? So yesterday we have used the get method, right? Yesterday we have used get method. So we have another method also there, navigate.to. See here. Now open URL. Okay. How can I open? See, this is a commenting. Okay. Commenting statement. It won't execute. Okay. See, if I remove this, you will get error. Why? Because this is not a Java statement. So I am keeping as a comment. So I'm telling the Eclipse that allow Eclipse, this is not a Java statement, it's a comment statement. Okay. Now this variable dot get, right? Get. So get method, right? Okay. See here. Get. See here. http://google.com. Okay. This is one method to open Google page. So which method it is? Get method. Right click, run as. Java application. So now google.com is opening. So first of all, it launches Chrome browser and then google.com is open. Oh, what happened now? See, you see the error message, sir. Yesterday you asked, right? How can I identify the errors? See here. There is error here. Session not created. Exception, right? Exception. Session not created. This version of Chrome driver only supports Chrome version 1.1.4. Okay, so this is I have a Chrome driver 1.1.4 support only, but I want to use the one. Which version we are using Chrome?
1.1.9.
Today we have, right? So I think this path I have to remove, right? Where it is? So where are softwares are? D drive, Selenium software, right? Software, Chrome driver. So yesterday, to differentiate the difference between the version compatibility, I have taken a same version of Google Chrome and then Chrome driver, and different version of Google Chrome and then Chrome driver. Okay, na? So here I have to remove this, right? Where? So my path, right? This I have to remove. Okay, now save it. So you have to read the error message only, sir. Then only we'll get it. Okay, right. Right click, run as Java application. See, Chrome driver started successfully. Now google.com is open. Okay. Now, so we have one more method also there, right? To open the URL. So let me open with another method. Driver dot navigate dot to. So driver dot navigate dot to URL. So same http:// Flipkart flipkart.com. So now one URL with get method, another URL with the navigate.to. Let me run this. Right click, run as Java application. So first open google.com and then flipkart.com. So now question like this: how do you open URL? How do you open URL? So we have two methods. You have to explain like this, okay? We have two methods. What are those? Get method and what is the next question? Guess it. Once again. How do you open URL? What is your answer? We have two methods. What are those? By using get method. Next one is navigate.to method. Next question is what? Compulsory they will ask. What the next question could be? Guess it, sir. What is the question next?
Which one is useful?
Okay. But what is the difference between these two compulsory? See, I open URL in two ways. By using get method. Another one is navigate.to method. So definitely they will ask, tell me what's the difference between these two. See, sir, difference. Let me write first. Okay, see here. Open URL, okay. So we can open URL in two methods. What? Get method. See, sir, G small. Okay. Next what? Navigate dot to and then here URL. Okay. So here also URL. Okay. The program is like this. Let me copy this statement. See, I'm copying, pasting only these, okay? These lines also, not entire program. Do you want me to copy entire program? Not okay. Satisfy this one. Next question is what? What is the difference between get and navigate method? Yeah, navigate to methods. Okay. See here. See, there is no much difference between these two, but here, after get, see, after get, you don't have any other methods. See, if I press dot right, if I press dot, you are not able to see any other methods. But after navigate, we can see some other methods. See, after get method, I am using get method, right? After get method, if I press dot, I'm not able to see anything. So there are no any methods are there. But if I go to navigate method, see, we have some, we can perform some browser based operations. Like I can navigate to back, forward, okay, some refresh. So these operations I can perform with the navigate. So that's a different part. That's it. So I can launch the URL in two ways by using get and navigate. So if I am using a navigator, see, I can also perform the operations with the browser commands like backward, forward, refresh, like this. Okay.
Like multiple actions.
Multiple actions. Yes. Yeah. With the get method, we cannot perform other browser operations like forward, backward, or refresh, and so on. But we can perform with the navigate method. That's it. That's it. So first program is completed. Next, retrieve page URL. Okay, page title. We'll go with the page title. Retrieve page title. Okay, see here. Retrieve page title. See, sir. If you open the page, google.com, right? So right click, view page source. Okay. See, what is the page you have opened? I want to display the title of that page. Right click, just view page source. So it displays the web page HTML code. Okay. So what is the option we have selected? Right click, view page source. So that you will see the HTML code for that. So here somewhere we have some title is there. Control F, title. See title. See title. So the title, what is the title value given by developers? That value I want to retrieve. You know, why are we using this title retrieving? We'll discuss. But how can I retrieve the title value of your page? So this value I want to retrieve. Retrieving, getting. Retrieving nothing but getting the value. Retrieving, getting the value. Okay, see here. So after open the page, so I'm using get method to open the page. Page compulsory we have to open. Okay, driver dot get title. Get title is a method. You know what's the method? It is get title. So this value I want to display system dot out dot println. So this value I want to display. Driver dot, right? Done. You know, let me save this and then run it. So first of all, what happened here? Open google.com. So what is the title given by developer? That value I want to retrieve. By using which method? Get title method. Right click, run as Java application. Yeah, online guys, don't exit from the session. So listen complete session today. You know, so I observed that like around 10:45, you're dropping your call, but don't please see here. Where I can see the data? See in console tab, right? See Google. You know, why we are retrieving, we'll discuss. See, the test case is user action open google.com. In expected, you are writing what? Google page is open. Google page should open like that. You are writing in a manual test case, right? So now what I'm doing actually, I am converting manual test case into test scripts. That is my major responsibility. You know, open google.com. You know how to open. So dot get URL. So for that expected results is there, right? Google.com page should open. To verify that, what I'm doing is I am retrieving that page title and the title is matching with the Google. Then I can say google.com page is open or not, like that. So whenever we discuss if condition, there we will do the exercise for that. Are you getting the point, right? So in that case, I can use to retrieve the get title of your page. So get title. This is the method. Okay, get title. Done. You know. So like you can open any one page and you can find the get title. Next, what is the next one? Third one. No. Retrieve current URL. Retrieve current URL. Current URL. See here, I opened Google something. This URL I want to retrieve. This URL I want to retrieve. Okay. See here. Then there is a method called as driver dot get current URL. This is a method. Get current URL. You know, so it returns current page URL.
Can't we continue like title?
Yeah, we can. Yeah, why not? We can. We can. So how you are giving instruction in this program, Selenium will execute like that. No problem, we can execute. You know? So it returns. So right click, run as Java application. So what is the URL is currently there? That URL will display. So what is the current URL here? Google.com. See here. This is the URL, right? Why I am not displaying the value here? Because you are not displaying system.out.println not there, right? System.out.println. So this we haven't given that. So it is not displaying. Give that value. Okay. Where is the mistake here? Driver is missing here. Driver dot. Done. Okay. Save it. Right click, run as Java application. So now it opening google.com. And then what is the current URL is there? This URL will display. See, current URL. So why I require this URL? Because for a refresh issue. For refreshing, I will do that. I will explain now. Okay, but how do you retrieve the URL? Current URL. What is the method we are using? Get even interview questions, sir. These are all your interview questions. Get current URL. How do you retrieve the title of the page? Get title.
Get title.
Get title method. How do you retrieve the current URL?
Get current URL.
Right. So these are the basic browser-based commands, methods. Okay. So what is this statement? Is a comment statement. Okay. So here, see, I'm not writing like this. For example, so now you went to your home, and then I'm reading it, and then you are getting a doubt. What is the purpose I'm using here? So if I have like this, if I use this like this, okay, this method is used for what? Current page. So for that purpose, I'm writing a comments. Readability increasing. Readability, understanding increasing like that. Okay. Next. Next, what is the next one? Fourth one. Source code. Retrieve page source code. Fourth one is retrieve page source code. See here. Here I open the right click view page source, right? This I want, this data I want to retrieve. This data I want to retrieve. See, this we are not using. So this method we are not using, but interview questions. Interview questions, okay? So simple. So now what I will do is I won't display method. Okay, I won't display method. I won't explain the method. I pressed dot. Now you have to identify what is the method. See here, equal. What is the operation you want to perform? I want to retrieve the page code, programming code. Okay. Is this method is matching with my required operation? No, right? This is ID. ID. How you are getting the answer? So this is the way we have to learn. You asked me yesterday question, right?
Yeah.
This is the way. 30 days with them maatladtanu. See, this method I haven't explained. This method I haven't explained, but you are explaining me. See, by reading the methods only. So mostly methods are in the format they defined with the operation name. Getting. What are you getting? Page source. That's it. Done. Okay. Right click, run as Java application. You see the code. Display the code, right? Open the google.com. Then the code is displayed. This code is displayed. So what is the code we are seeing, right? Right click, view page source. This entire code you want to display. Yes, that the method is what? Page source. But we are not using. Yes. See, we are not using the programming code. We are using only front-end application. UI only we are using. Okay, na? So page source. But interview purpose they may ask. page source. Okay, next. Okay. So these are all the browser based commands. Okay, next. Fifth one. Now what's the fifth one? Navigate to backward and forward. Navigate to backward. Yeah, please. Yeah. So navigate.
Sir, could you please go back for the page resource?
Backward. Okay. Programmer. Okay. Yeah. Now. So now here. So okay. So can I go backward here? Yeah, yes, yeah. Forward. This one. Backward and forward. So backward and forward. How can I perform this operation with the Selenium? Okay. So after open google.com, so your method, what is the variable driver dot? So these are available in where? Navigate dot. So first forward is there. So open google.com.
Forward.
If I open google.com, first forward is not there. Right? So manually not possible. With automation also not possible. Okay. Okay. Navigate dot back. Back means what? Backward. Now forward. Driver dot navigate dot back forward, right? Now what is the method now? So I want to go for the forward, right? I did not explain the method. Now you explain. Find the method. Which method it is? Forward now.
Forward.
See how you are familiar now with Selenium. Like that only. Okay. No.
Okay.
Yeah, after talking, please be unmute. Okay. Yeah. Right.
Yes, sir.
Java application. Online guys, don't drop your calls around 10:30, 10:45. Okay. So please attend today's entire session. See, backward, forward, done. Did you observe? Yes. Let me exit once again. Okay. Let me exit once again. Okay. I want to make some weight here. I will explain later. Red dot sleep. 2 seconds I want. See, don't ask me what is this. Write as it is in your program while practicing. 2 seconds I am waiting. After this statement execute. After this statement execute, I am waiting for 2 seconds. 1000 millisecond equal to 1 second. So 2000, this is milliseconds. This parameter is milliseconds. So I want to wait 2 seconds. So 2000 milliseconds. Now you can clearly observe. See here, right click, run as Java application. So we have synchronization concept is there in Selenium. There I will explain. Thread.sleep. But now the meaning of the method is google.com. Okay. Now see here, 2 seconds waited. Now back. See back. Now 2 seconds waited. Forward. So this statement performs to wait eclipse idle for 2 seconds. Okay. This is for the backward and forward. Okay. This is not available in get method. This is not available in get method. Only navigate method is there. Done. These are all interview questions. This we are using in your project. So this may using in your project, but source code, no. We get the page source we are not using. Sometimes we are using get current URL to refresh your page. Next. This is clear. Any doubts? Okay, right.
Sir, here navigate to for page, no, sir?
Navigate that to for the open the new page. Google.com. Open the new page.
Okay.
Okay, navigate dot back forward is for these operations. Okay. Sixth one. Now refreshing the page. Sometimes you have to refresh the page, right? Refresh the browser. See, different options are there. Refreshing browser. Refresh browser. Okay. Here. See, if I open a browser, you clicked on the refresh button, right? Reload page or refresh buttons also there, right? You know, I want to click this refresh. You know, with the Selenium commands. So I can refresh in different ways. So this is one way. This another way. Okay, and this another way. And this also another way. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, here we can refresh the page in below 3 methods, 3 ways. Okay, first thing is by using a navigate dot refresh method. This is one way. See here. After open this, how? Driver dot navigate dot refresh. So this is one way. Refreshing, whenever you want to refresh your page, we are using as the navigate dot refresh method. Okay, this is one way. Program. Okay. Right. Next way. Using the send keys method. Using send keys method. You don't know what is this. You know, whenever we discuss send keys method, again I will display this statement. You know, so this method I'm not explaining now. So this method I'm not covering now, but I have given the code. So whenever we're discussing send keys method locators, then I will explain this statement. You know, but another way is send keys. You know, next third one. Now, so these are third one option. So driver dot navigate dot to. You know, see here. Third option is driver dot navigate dot to. So here I have used 2, right? Earlier. So earlier I have used 2 also, right? I can open the page in 2 ways by using get and to. So here, what I'm doing here, to, I am finding the C. Refresh means what? In the current URL only refreshing, right? Are you getting my point, right? So in the current URL, I just click on the refresh button. So now what I'm doing is, I am finding the get current URL, and navigate dot to. Here I'm giving the URL. That's it. That's it. For suppose you clicked on this Gmail. Now refresh button I want to press. So here I want to refresh button. You know, so now you are giving your URL like this. So which URL? You are getting the current URL. But how can I get the current URL here? Driver dot get current URL. That's it. So what is the URL is there? That URL I want to refresh it. That's it. So this is about the refreshing your URL. Okay. Yeah. That's it. Okay. Next, what is 7th one? Maximize and minimize the browser. Maximize and minimize the browser. Okay. See here. See here. First we'll see minimize and maximize. Okay. See here. Seventh one. Minimize and maximize the browser. See here. After open the URL page, driver dot. So what is the method? Minimize is there. Minimize is there. See, not there. Window driver dot manage dot window dot minimize. Maximize is there, but minimize method is not there. See, maximize is there. What's the meaning of maximize? Full screen. See, maximize. Okay. Let me run this. So after open my URL, sometimes the page is not, see, the page is opening like this, but I want to open in the full screen. So then we are using as what? This statement, driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. You know, so all we are doing with automation only. Okay, run a Java application. So now it opened and the full screen mode. See, now it opened in full screen mode. Did you observe? Like that. So why are we using this? So whenever I'm executing your test scripts, you know, whether the pass or fail validations, have to take a screenshot, right? Right or wrong? Suppose it is in like this, and some fields are not displaying. See, very small screen are there, and some fields are not displaying properly. Observe. So whenever you are executing your test script, okay, now the validation steps pass or fail, whatever it may be, but every validation I have to take a screenshot. Right or wrong? So if it is not in the proper shape, if I take a screenshot, it's not properly taken the screenshots, right? So what I will do is I will make my application in the full screen. So for every validations, it takes the screenshot so that I can clearly see the screenshots. You know, and also I can observe the clear. Suppose one object is not displaying here, and it is clicking on that object, but that also operation I can't see here. So if it is in full screen only, I can see that. So full screen. So nothing but what? Which method it is? Maximize. So manage dot window dot maximize. But window dot minimize is not there. Only maximize is there. If I press M, maximize, minimize, right? But the minimize method is not there. But how can I minimize? With the code. You know, with this code we can minimize. Now see, these are code. See here. So don't toss this now. Just write as it is. See here. Instead of this, paste it. That's it. Okay. See here. Driver dot manage dot window dot minimize method is not there. Just read this method. Set positions. Semicolon, right? Semicolon. Read the method. This is set position. In this method, we have a parameter. New point of something value. What is this? Guess it. What is Chrome driver with brackets? Come on, guys.
Constructor.
What is this? This is also constructor. So here we are passing some 0 and -1000 x and y coordinates. Okay. So why are we getting error here? Right now we are in the pack1 package, and this constructor is not defined in this package. So it's asking for the importing. So mouse over here. So Java AWT classes. So Selenium, right? Selenium. Now run it. Set position. Okay. If it is not like this, then we will import. Acha, set is error. Okay, okay, thank you. Then this is not the correct package. Set Selenium. Right? Right. Right click, run as. So first, see here, open the page and then minimizing. Right click, run as Java application. Open google.com. Open google.com. Minimized. Minimize, right? Now I want to maximize. Maximize. How? Driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. That's it. So here you are doing a minimize and then maximize. I want to go for a thread dot sleep. 2 seconds. After 2 seconds, I want to maximize because I want to view the execution. Okay. Right click, run as Java application. Now see here. So now it is launching. Chrome browser launched it. See here. So it is browsing minimized. After 2 seconds, again it is maximized. This is automation testing only. This is automation testing only. Okay. Done. Okay. This is about the minimize and maximize. Okay. For minimizer, there is no method. So we have to write the set position new 0 minus 100. This what is this point?
Yes.
Constructor. That only I will discuss after this comments. I will open one Java program. I will make you to identify the identifiers. In 10 minutes, I will make you familiar in Java. Just 10 minutes. So this is the program for this. Driver dot. This is for minimizing. Okay. This is for minimize the browser. So no method is there for minimize. Right? Okay.
Anytime you writing the comma.
Yeah, you can write wherever you want, whenever you want, you can write it. Okay, your wish. Okay, this is about the next close browser. See here, we can close opened browser in 2 methods. One is a close method. See here, no capital, small letters. And quit method. So I can close my browser in 2 methods. Close and quit. Okay. See, close method. It closes the current browser. Quit method. It closes all the browsers which are opened in a test script. So that's a different. So in my program, I have opened 10 browsers. Okay. If I use close, out of 10 browser, which is the latest you are working, that only closes. So remaining 9 browsers, it won't close. But if I use quit method, what happened? It closes all the browsers. Clear? Now. So I have opened the browser with the page. Now I want to close it. How? Driver dot close is there. Close is there as well as quit also there. So if I use a close, what is the current browser you are using? Out of 5, 6, 7, 8, it will close that current browser only. But in a program, I have opened multiple browsers. I want to close all the browsers. Then we are using as quit method. I will show you quit method later. Now close. So now what I'm doing here, opening the browser and closing the browser. Sorry, opening the browser, opening one URL and closing the browser. Okay, clear, Shiva?
Yeah.
Right, guys? Yeah. Right click, run as Java application.
Hi, sir.
Hi. Yeah.
Yeah, I had a quick question regarding the close and quit. Yeah,
Yes.
is that the only difference between the close and quit?
Yes, that's it. Yeah.
Yeah, because in most of the interviews they ask this question.
Yeah, yes, close means current browser only closes. Quit means all the browsers which are opened in the program only. See, before program, I have opened one browser. So before program execution, I have opened one browser manually. Now I am executing my program. In that program, I have opened 5 browsers. If I use a close, what happened? Current browser closes.
It closes the current
If I
browser.
use a quit, what happened?
Everything will be closed.
All the browsers which are opened in the program only closed. I have opened one manually, right? It won't work. That browser won't close. Okay, na? So
Okay.
that instantiate is not created in the program, so it won't work with that browser. Because that browser I have opened manually, so it won't work with that. So what are the browsers? Selenium opened, that only closes. Quit all browsers, close the current browser. That's it. Okay, so these
Yeah.
are the, thank you. These are
Hi,
the-
sir.
Yeah.
Actually, I just want to know which method we use the most in the real time. Driver.quit or close.
In your program, you have opened only one browser. Directly you can use close, but you have worked with the multiple links like right click, open link in new window, or some links are opened in a new browser window. So while writing a script, you will come to know that, right? Then use as a quit method. So it's not like I have to use only close, I have to use only quit. It's not like that. So in your program, right, while execution, we have opened 4 browsers, but I want to close only 2 browsers.
Yes.
See, question is close, current browser closes, quit, all browsers closes, but in my program, I have opened 5 browsers, but now I want to open second and fourth browser. We have a program working with multiple windows. So there we will close it. So put the advanced concept to akada.
Yeah.
So question is good question. See, I have opened multiple browsers. Close means current browser closes. If I use quit method, all browsers are closing. But the scenario is I want to close only 2 browsers out of 5 browsers. Good question. Yeah, that will handle by using a get window handles method is there. So from that I will find number of browsers are open. Which browser you want to close? Close it with that method. That we will see. Good question. Right. So ask the questions, okay? See, if you are asking the questions means what? You are understanding something. Right or wrong? See, if you are keeping idle, I mean, if you are sitting idle, 2 things. You understanding 100% concept or you are not understanding anything. Second option only possible. Right? Second option only possible. What is that? Not understanding possible. So ask the question, sir. I'm very happy. Means what? You are understanding something. And after the session also you can ask. While session going also you can ask. So I am very comfortable while session is going only. Ask the questions while session is going only. In the session only ask the questions. Better. Because if I ask you, if you're asking the questions after the session, so I won't listen properly. Still, I will think about that question only, mostly. Right or wrong? So that's the reason, whenever you have any questions, ask me immediately. I am very happy like you are asking the questions. I am not irritating like that. If you're asking more questions, means what? You're understanding concept. That is my intent actually. Okay. Any other questions? Right. So this is about the third chapter. Good question, Shiva. That we will see. Okay. Good question. Interview question only. This is also interview question only. How do you close a browser? So we have 2 methods. Close, quit. Next question. What is the difference between these two? Close method closes the current browser. Quit method closes the all browsers. Now I want to close only my particular browser. Then how? Interview questions even. The questions are in with relating only. Right. So now this is the third chapter. Working with the browsers. Okay. So now let us discuss on the Java side now. So writing more programs. First, we will write some. So we will learn some concepts on the Java side. Okay. So yeah, this.
Everything comes under working with browser, right?
Yes.
Okay.
right? So these are the methods. Browser commands, browser based commands is over. Okay, now save it. Now, sorry. Now we'll start the core Java. Okay, in Word. See, why are we learning core Java? We are writing programs in programming language Java. So that's the reason we are using a core Java. So we have to learn core Java first. Okay. See, I said right package, method, constructor. So to overcome that issue, right, we have to learn Java also. Okay. So this is a parallel. Okay. See, Selenium with the core Java. So some institutes first they will teach Selenium and then Java. It's not like that. It's not a good approach actually. Selenium and core Java call man institute. See, Selenium and core Java ante what's the meaning of it is? First they are teaching Selenium and then they are spending 7-10 days for the core Java. That's not the correct approach. So we are learning what? Selenium with the core Java. So Selenium learning, Java learning parallelly. Simultaneously, okay? See here, core Java. File, save as. ఈ రోజు మిమ్మల్ని నేను జావా ఫెమిలియర్ చేస్తాను ఇవాళ ఛాలెంజ్ ఓకేనా సియర్ బ్రౌజర్ సియర్ వేర్ ఈస్ అవర్ ఆన్లైన్ folks sir don't drop your call, okay? Where are we meeting data? D drive, right? D drive. D drive. Documents ఎక్కడ ఉన్నాయి? Selenium. Okay. Seeker. Documents. Core Java. Chapter 1. Introduction of Java. Yeah. Basic concepts. Okay. What is Java? చెప్పండి. Java is a programming language. It is introduced in where? It is introduced in which year? 1995. Call 1965. 19 something. 1965, 95. 65 కాదు 19. Sorry, అనుకుంటున్నాను. Yeah, 80 something. 90s only, right? That okay, 1995. From Sun Microsystem. But now owned by Oracle. ఇంతకుముందు Sun Microsystem ఓనరు, ఇప్పుడు Oracle. That's it, okay? Java editions. What are the editions are there? Java SE. Java Standard Edition. This is used to develop Windows application. I mean standalone applications. This is called as core Java. This is called as core Java. Second one. JE or J 2E. 2E. J2E, right? J2E also same, right? Yeah. No. J 2E anakunda 2E antaru atla. So here Java Enterprise Edition. Okay. This is used to develop web applications. See here. JEE, nothing but so it consisting of it is advanced Java. So in this we have a JSE also. So J is also there. Next, J, MER, Java micro editions. This is used to develop remote mobile applications. Okay. Next, fourth one, JFX. JFX. So this is Java FX only. We are calling it FX only. This is used to develop graphics related games. అది JFX వాడతారు. బట్ మనకు అవసరం లేదు. We are not Java developers. We are Selenium testers. We are using the Java basics. Okay, na? So is not required. J2E not required. JM is not required. JFX also not required. Web application, Google, HDFC vendors. Awesome, sir. The application which are opened in the browser, those are web applications. Okay, see. Now, and Java is a portable language. Java is a portable language. Means what? It works on multiple OS. Linux, CUI operating system, GUI operating system. GUI means what? Graphical user interface. CUI means command user interface. Linux comes under that. Whenever you are installing Java, so JVM, Java Virtual Machine. Please don't drop online classes. Okay, please don't drop today, please. So JVM also there for with respect to the operating system. So if you are installing Java into Windows, Windows JVM is there. If you are installing Java into Linux operating system, CUI JVM is there. So with that, Java works for different multiple operating systems. That's it. And now see here. Identifiers in Java. Yes, here. So till now you don't know Java, right? In 15 minutes. Now time is 10:56, right? Okay. 11:15. I will make you Java compatible. Possible before that only. See here. If I open any Java program, I can see some identifiers. What are those? First, package. Next, class. Next, interface. Okay, constructor. Method, variable, interface. And if I open any Java program with respect to Selenium, okay, package, class, constructor, method, variable, interfaces. Just read this. What are those? Package, class, constructor, method, variable, interface. If I open any Java program, I can see only these identifiers.
I have a small one. And actually, testing this program in Java.
Yeah. So we don't know Java. So first of all, if I open my Java program, I am making you to understand what is that statement.
Okay.
I am not explaining all details in one day. But if I open any program, see in future, see, suppose if now I asked to write previous program, some point, see, this is Chrome driver. I said constructor.
Yes.
Then you are saying it's a constructor. Next time I will open one program and I will make you to explain what is that. Are you getting my point, right? ఇప్పుడు నేను చెప్పాను సార్ ఇగో ఇది కన్స్ట్రక్టర్ ఇది మెథడ్ అని నేను చెప్తున్నాను బట్ ఇప్పుడు అవసరం లేదు సో కొన్ని టిప్స్ ఉన్నాయి ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ లెర్నింగ్ దట్ టిప్స్ ఐ కెన్ ఈజీలీ అండర్స్టాండ్ వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ సో దట్ వి ఆర్ లెర్నింగ్ ఫస్ట్ ఓకే నౌ సీ హియర్ package. Okay. If any statement starts with package or import, then that statement is a package. You know, all are small letters. You know, all are small letters. You know, if any sub packages are there, then we mention with, then we what we can give with the dot. It's here. If I open any program, if any statement start with the package or import, then that statement is what here? Package statement. You know, under org there is a sub package OpenQA. Under OpenQA there is sub package Selenium. So we have to differentiate with what? A dot. And last one is there, right? The last one. This is not a package. This is in this package, this is a class. In this package, this is a class defined. In this package, this is a constructor is defined like that. Last string is there, right? This is a package path. So this is a package path. And last string is there, right? That may be a constructor, maybe an interface, whatever it may be. Okay, now? So if I open any statement, start with the package or import, then what is the statement it is? Package statement. Nothing came later. Package path is in small letters. Package path is in small letters. Okay, that's it. See, this is a point. Sorry. Yeah, in that class there is a constructor. So your only class is there. This is a class. In that class, a constructor is there. We can define constructor in a class only, not outside of a class. So this is a class, okay? This is what? Package path, and this is a class. In this is a package, this is class. Okay, now see here. Okay, sir. Now, what's the next one? Class. Okay. If any string with the camel case letters without brackets, then that is a class. Any string in camel case means what? Every word first character is capital letter. Every word first character is capital letter and doesn't contains what? This brackets. Then that is a class. Next constructor. If any string with the camel case letters with brackets, then that is a constructor. Okay, now. So what's the package? If any statement start with what? Import or package. Okay, now. Package path is in small letters. Sub packages are there, dot. Okay. Next class. If any string with the camel case letters. What's the meaning of camel case letters? There is a string, multiple words are there. Every word first character is what? Small letter, capital letter. Without having a parenthesis, that is a class. Having a parenthesis, that is a constructor. You know. Next constructor, right? Sorry. Next fourth one method. If any string starting with a small letter and second word onwards, first char is uppercase or small letters, uppercase letter, and ends with brackets. That's it. That's the method. If any string starts with a small letter, you know, if it contains multiple words, second word onwards, first character is uppercase and having what? Parenthesis. No, no, no. I won't open now. I will open. See, read this. I will open the program. Compulsory. First, you read this. If any string is there, starting with a small letter. So the string may be having multiple words. Second word onwards. First character is capital letter, and having parenthesis. Then that is a what is that? Method. Variable, same. Variable also same here. Variable also same. Variable also same standard, naming standards, but without. That's it. Method, variable same. But method contains what? Parenthesis. Variable doesn't contain this. Any word ఉండొచ్చు, yeah. I can declare any variable with multiple word, but single word only. See, single word with the multiple strings. Single word only. For example, see, method, right? See here. Set property. See here. Set to one method, one string, property is another string. Starting with what? Small letter. Second word, first character is what? P capital letter. And having a braces, brackets. Then this is the method. Variable. EMP name. Now is variable or method? Now it is method. If I remove this bracket, and now if I keep these brackets, ante em ledanda. Now employing. Okay. Interface and class same. Sorry. Without, right? Interface and class same. Same naming standards. So naming standards are same. Naming standards are same. Anthing game lediga. Now. Who is active in online class? Yeah. Manjula madam, are you there?
Yes, sir.
ఒక్కసారి read చేయరా ఒక్కసారి. Package.
Package. If any statement starts with package or import, then that statement is package statement. All are small letters. If any sub packages are there, then we give with dot.
Next. Class.
If any string with camel letters without parenthesis, then that is the class. Constructor. If any string with camel letters with parenthesis, then that is a constructor. Method. If any string starts with small letter and second word onwards, first carries uppercase letter and ends with parenthesis.
Then that is a
Method.
Next, variable.
Set property. Example is set property.
Okay, variable.
Variable. If any string starts with small letter and second word onwards, first carries uppercase letter and ends without parenthesis.
Without parenthesis. Then
that is a variable.
Next, interface.
Interface. If any string with camel letters without parenthesis, then that is a class.
So class and interface are having the same naming standards. Okay, na? Sir, yourself, sir. Please read, sir.
Package. Any statement start with package or import, then that statement is package statement. All are small letters. If any package, any sub package are then we give it class. If any string with camel letters without then that class is constructor.
Without brackets. Okay. Next.
That is class. Constructor. If any string with the camel letters without bracket, then that is a constructor.
With brackets. Okay. Next.
If any string starts with small letters, second words onward, first character is uppercase letter and ends with bracket. That's set property.
Method. This example. Okay. This example.
If any string starts with a small letters and second word onwards, first character is uppercase letter and then ends with without bracket.
Without brackets is what? Variable. Next.
Interface. If any string with the camel letters without a bracket, then that is class.
Now time is 11:08 only. So before 7 minutes only, okay. Now I am opening one Selenium program. Okay, see here. See here. Selenium. See, I haven't explained what is class, what is constructor, what is package, what is method, what is variable, what is interface. I haven't explained that. You know, just if I open my Java program, just feeling as a comfortable, I am identifying this identifier. So these are the identifier or not. Class of identifier, package one identifier like that. Okay. Just I want to feel as a comfortable in Java if I open any programming. That's it. But what are these? What is what we are not covering now? We'll discuss in the future. Yeah, now see here. Selenium program for we run it in the multiple browsers closing, right? For working with multiple browsers. You know, see here. So browsers, something program, randomly I'm opening one program. See, this is one program, right? This is one program. Okay. Online guys, please listen. Yeah. What is this statement? How you are saying this is a package statement? Starting with what?
Starting is
Import. This is what? Package path. And what is this? Class or interface as per our naming standards. Okay. Now, what is this browser? This browser string, browser, this browser. Variable. Why it is variable? Start with small letter. Second one.
Because it's in a bracket.
No brackets. So this is a variable. Now equals ignore case. This is
Method.
constructor. What is constructor? Camel case letter. Constructor camel case letter. But starting with what? E.
It is a method.
E what? Small letter, right? Then this is a method or constructor? Method. Why method? Starting with small letter. Second word onwards. First character is a capital and having what? A parenthesis. I mean brackets. Then this is a method. Okay. And this is Chrome driver. Why it's constructor? Camel case letters and having what? Brackets. So this is what? Constructor. Next. Exception. This is exception. Exception.
Also,
so what is that? Constructor. Why constructor? Camel case letter and having what? Brackets. That's it. The value is there in the bracket. Okay. Parameter. Those we are calling as a parameter. Then this is what? What is this? Constructor. Now what is this timeouts? Method. And what is this manage? What is this implicitly wait?
Method.
This is implicitly wait and having what? Parenthesis, right? Parenthesis. I small, W capital. What is this? What is this? Variable, method, constructor?
Method.
Come on. Why method? Start with
Second
small
word
letter.
onwards, it is
Two words are there.
capital letter.
W capital and having what? Parenthesis. So this is a method. Next, what is this duration? Duration.
Variable.
Class or variable?
Variable.
Variable start with what? Variable start with what? Small letter. Variable start with small letter. But this is starting with what? Capital letter. Camel case letter is there. And do we have any brackets here?
No.
Then what is this? Class. And now half seconds. Half seconds. I mean with static instance. Half seconds. What is this? Method or what is this?
Method.
Starting with small letter, right? So starting with what? Small letter. Second word S capital. Having what? Parenthesis. Then this is what? Method. So sir, verified. Okay, once again. Verified title.
Method.
So sir, what is get?
Method.
Come on. Method. What is system?
Class.
What is asset? What is kit?
Class.
Method.
What is get title? What is driver?
Variable.
Variable. చూసారా మీరు ఎట్లా జావాలో ఫెమిలియర్ అయిపోయారు? What is the time now, sir? 11:13 only. They promised 11:15, but 2 minutes before only you are comfortable little bit in core Java. అలా ఉంటుంది మన సెషన్. కంప్లీట్ కోర్ జావా విసిలిన అట్లే ఉంటుంది మనకి. అట్లా నేర్పిస్తాం మళ్ళీ. బట్ మీరేంటంటే కొద్దిగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోవాలి అంతే, ఏం లేదు. చెప్పే విధానంలో ఉంటుంది యాక్చువల్గా. లెట్ మీ టేక్ అనదర్ ప్రోగ్రామ్. ఓకే. గో విత్ అనదర్ ప్రోగ్రామ్. సో నేను చేసిన ప్రామిస్ కంటే 2 minutes బిఫోర్ చేసిన సార్, ఓకేనా. సెలీనియం ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఫర్ ఏదో ఒక ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఫర్ డ్రాప్ డౌన్. ఏదో ఒక ప్రోగ్రామ్ వస్తుంది, దాన్ని ఓపెన్ చేద్దాం. ఏదో ర్యాండమ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్. is one program, okay. See here. This one program. See, ఇప్పుడు మీ ఇంతకుముందు భయం ఉండేది, ఇప్పుడు భయం లేదు మనకి. If I this program, I am not getting a fear. Earlier, yes, we had a fear, but now no, not required. See, what is this package? Nothing but what you are in the current package of new package, okay na? What is this package statement? Okay na? This is path, and this is class. Now base URL. What is that? తలకపోతే ఏం చెప్పండి. చెప్పండి సార్. వేరియబుల్. Why variable? Starting with small letter, second word onwards first character, no parenthesis, okay na? So this is a variable. Next string. Class. Why class? Camel case letter and doesn't have any brackets. Class, okay. Select.
Class.
DRP country.
Variable.
Variable. Next fruits.
Variable.
Select by visible text.
Method.
Select by index.
Method.
Here fruits.
Class.
Variable.
Variable.
Why it is class? Class start with a capital letter, right?
Yes.
It's a variable. Next. అందా వచ్చేసినాయి మనకి. ఇంకేం ఎత్తుకోవాల్సి వస్తుంది ఏదైనా హార్డ్గా ఉందనేది. ఓకే. సి ఫైండ్ ఎలిమెంట్.
Method.
బై
Class.
By what is that? Class only. See, class. Camel case letter doesn't have any parentheses, so it's a class. Next this one. ID.
Method.
Why? Small letter, starting with small letter and having a parenthesis. చూసారా? Get. అది ఆల్రెడీ మీకు తెలుసు. Get. Method. చూసారా? మీకు జావా తెలియకపోయినా నేను తెలిసేటట్టు చేశాను, ఓకేనా. అది క్యూ ఐకాన్ అంటే. సో దట్ ఇస్ క్యూ ఐకాన్, ఓకే. Familiar. See sir, my promise sir. This is the way how we are learning Selenium. So Selenium with the core Java only, not Selenium and Java. No, Selenium with the core Java. So now if I open some Java program, yes, you can something you can identify. What is that? Now if I open Java program, you can see only these identifiers. So tomorrow if I say like constructor or Java class, okay, naming standards you can understand. But what is what we will discuss, you know. So this is about the chapter 1, introduction of Java. Tomorrow we'll discuss the class and objects. So tomorrow don't miss a class. So Java is a very, very basics. Every Selenium program based on class and objects only. So if you miss the class, it is difficult to understand the remaining programs. So tomorrow, class and objects. Thank you guys. Any doubts? Okay now? Right. Take care. I will share this document. Okay.